Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to eat food. Now, it's very easy to do so. How you know when to eat food is because you start feeling hungry. Now, you'll probably know when you're hungry. It creates a feeling that tells you you need to eat food. So how do you eat food? Well, I have a piece of food here to show an example. Now, this food can easily be picked up and put down to put in your mouth, but oftentimes you need a fork, spoon, or knife to do so. What you do is you first put it in your mouth like this. After that, you can bite down like this. And then you can move it to the sides of your mouth, chew it, and when the pieces are small enough, you can push it down into your body to give yourself energy. Now, I'm going to show you an example of this. You can repeat this until all of the food is gone. I hope you enjoyed that video and it taught you everything you need to know about eating food. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.